Judges, what's the wildest thing you've seen in court? I'm a retired judge now, but I still think about this one case from years ago. It was a routine family court session, middle-aged couple, nothing unusual at first glance. The woman, pleasant enough, walks in with her lawyer and we begin the standard questioning to determine the grounds for the divorce. I ask her, "Ma'am, what are the grounds for your divorce?" She smiles and says, "Oh, about 4 acres and a nice little home in the middle of the property with a stream running by." I blink. "No, I mean, what is the foundation of this case?" She nods confidently. "Concrete, brick, and mortar." At this point, I'm thinking, okay, maybe nerves. I try to steer things back. "What are your relations like?" She beams. "Well, I've got an aunt and uncle in town. My husband's parents live nearby too." I glance at the clerk. No help there. We're both silently begging her lawyer to step in, but he's clearly given up. I press on. "Do you have a real grudge?" She shakes her head. "Nope. We've got a 2-car carport. Never really needed a grudge." Now I'm starting to wonder if this is some kind of prank. I ask, as clearly as I can, "Ma'am, is there any infidelity in your marriage?" She looks a little annoyed and says, "Well, both my son and daughter have stereo sets. We don't necessarily like their music, but yes." I close my eyes, take a breath. "Ma'am, does your husband ever beat you up?" "Oh yes," she says brightly, "about twice a week. He usually gets up before I do." At this point, I'm about to motion for a recess just to regroup. When I finally ask, "Lady, why do you want a divorce?" She blinks, surprised. "Oh, I don't want a divorce. I've never wanted a divorce. My husband does. He says he can't communicate with me,